What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Detail Garage. Joseph here, along with my buddy and close friend, Joey Sanchez, all right? And today, once again, we got something very exciting, very different here for you guys, and we're gonna be showcasing how do you take care of some pretty unique materials, right, Joey? It's something that's right.
Something we don't really work with around here, but
we get asked all the time, right?
We get asked all the time.
We do, and that material that we're talking about is the very famous, the very elusive material of Alcantara. And what does that mean? It's basically imitation suede. So right now, Joey's gonna go ahead and get ready. Our lovely friends at NRG have brought us over a couple different seats and a steering wheel to showcase this, to make it very simple, right, and easy to get to. So right now, we're gonna be using our total interior. So that's gonna be a cleaner and a protectant. And you're gonna go ahead and see the process of what Joey does here. And that's gonna be spraying it onto a towel and then softly applying it onto this Alcantara surface. So as he's doing that, I wanna go ahead and mention that total interior is gonna also be great for a surface like the steering wheel, for your shifter, anything that you end up having inside the vehicle. Actually, that could be leather, your glass, all that other stuff. Best of all, there's no type of grease or oily residue left behind for it. And that's the reason why Joey is wearing these lovely gloves. Why? Because he actually put lotion on just a little bit because he's having some issues with psoriasis on his, just totally joke around. But Joey literally put on some lotion, and the last thing you want to do is touch it with your oily fish-like skin onto that soft surface, so he put on the gloves. Always use protection. That is the secret weapon, all right? So as Joey's gonna go ahead and prepare for step 2, which is gonna be synthetic quick detail spray. Why are we using this on a seat? Because on the back, if you look at this beautifully painted surface, you have this nice sparkle, nice little thing. Well, the bottom of your feet, if you have children or even just some friends in the car, dirty handprints, this beautiful glossy, glittery finish needs to be maintained by something, right? And that's gonna be synthetic quick detail spray. What's amazing about that is not only that it has really good gloss enhancers, but it's anti-static. That's a beautiful word or a saying for saying that it does not attract dust. And if you're driving around, beautiful summer day, windows down, dust is gonna go ahead and float into the car, but that's not gonna allow it to stick. And you'll see Joey just doing those beautiful wipes. His motions are just, I mean, he's like a gazelle as his arms just glide on over that beautiful surface. So while his forearms are getting a workout, Joey is now gonna go ahead and show you another seat that NRG provided for us. And that other seat is gonna be of a cloth fabric material with a little bit of vinyl sprinkled on in there. So once again, we are gonna go ahead and use total interior. Remember, this is gonna be good for your interior. It's gonna go ahead and be good for glass, leather, cloth. It's a cleaner and a protectant. So once again, Joey's gonna go ahead and spray it, mist it a little bit, and caress the lovely curves of this nice and aggressive seat right here. So again, it's very simple to use. I highly recommend it if you don't like any type of oily shine or what have you. It cleans, it protects, it does everything you would expect. I mean, that was pretty.
That's pretty accurate.
I love those gloves on you, Joey. I love those gloves. All right, those gloves just do something to me. So remember, total interior was great for this material, for the Alcantara, which again, that's going to be like that imitation suede, for your steering wheel, all those different type of things. Next, let's go ahead and talk about InstaWax, right, Joey?
That's right.
InstaWax actually is going to be oil-based, a lot of carnauba in it, and to apply it, you actually want to go ahead and be using a microfiber applicator. So you're going to go ahead and spray it onto the applicator, glide it on the vehicle in straight lines, and then you're going to wipe it off with a soft microfiber towel. And Joey, good Lord, dude, you got me good on that one. You got me real good. All right, so. Wow, okay, so just keep it away from your body. Just go ahead, and anytime that you're pointing something, don't point it directly at somebody right next to you, right? So, but it's okay, it's all good. It actually smells amazing. So
it smells amazing.
We're gonna go ahead and showcase how to use this product, as this is what we do, right? So now, if you like this video, if you like the fact that Joey and I, for the first time, are actually together and doing our thing, please give this a thumbs up. Drop us any questions that you might have below. Like this, follow us, all that stuff. And if you are ever close to the greater Los Angeles area, come on through, say what's up to us and the crew, and we look forward to seeing you next time. All right, much love. See you soon.